Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu na Oraifite, or a former ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja ugochitubelu na temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi nkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ never do well families. Never do well families. Wee na-achọ n'ụbọchị taa na ozi a na-ada maka ndị niile si na never do well families. I'm here with solution. Ka nwa gị ihe unu nwere ike ime ka unu wee too onwe unu na-agbụ ka e wee break the yoke, ka e wee break the record. Mana ọ ga-abụrịrị na ọ bụrụ na ị ga-ege ntị, pay attention to my direction today. Check my words. O nwere onye ga-eliberate unu ma ọ bụrụ na unu eliberate onwe unu individually. Ọ ga-abụrịrị na ị ga-asị na ọnọdụ a ịnọ na unu adịgo tired of it and decide ya to do something different. I keep saying it. You can't continually doing one thing over and over times and expect different results. What is happening in your family is as a result of a broken covenant. Na aja agwa dị iche iche akpalụ n'oge gara aga nke butere karma effect to your families. Some voices are crying for vengeance. Some voices are crying for help. All those things will be here together. Wee na-agba ọbọ na-arụ nyabụ ezinụlọ. Maka na ndụrụ gadụbụ onye amụtara ọmụtụ ibie. Your ancestors ndị kpata nyabụ nkwa ahụ si ngwere bịara ya ọrụ. Ha nụrụ. Mana ụnụ nwa bụ ndị nọ ndụ kịta bụ the continuation of that your ancestors. Maka na onye amụtara ọmụtụ ibie. That is why unu ji face the predicament. And also unu nwa unu emeji aka na-emetakwu mmụọ. Unu ga-agba mbọ kwụọ ụgwọ ndị nna unu ha ji na ụgwọ nke unu metara onwe unu ka unu wee nwere onwe unu. Ihe ndị a bụ ihe anyị ji maka ya bịa. The one under the influence of my voice right now, you are blessed. Ndị niile a ga-esi na meseji atọ ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na abụ a ga-eme ka unu dị ọcha by hearing this word and making decision right now. Ihe ndị a bụ ihe anyị ji bịa. Mana before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. We are in 25th, today is 25th December 2025. Anyị bịago n'ụbọchị tata, anyị ka nọ na aja anyị na-achụ n'igwe nke ime arọ 2025 a. Anyị ga-achịkọta ya ụbọchị ikpeazụ n'ụbọchị nke mbụ nke ọnwa Jenụwarị 2026. N'aha mmadụ dum ndị niile sonyela anyị all over the world. Echefu na distance abụrụ ebe anyị na-aja ma ọrụ anyị na ụna temple. Ị nwere ike isonyela anyị. Ndị mmadụ ebuku ego nke Jenụwarị. Ịchaatị m na WhatsApp, forward ya 3 prayer requests, make token donation to the account number. Ịchaatị them na WhatsApp, agwa gị other details we need for you in order to book you. WhatsApp number ị ga-eji nweta mbụ bụ 08057837672. I repeat 08057837672. Ị na-anya na screen gị ga-afụ nọmba ị ga-eji nweta m. Now let's dive into today's lecture. Not too long, but pay attention. You will learn a lot from me today in order to liberate yourself and your family. Gịnị ka na-ekwu maka ya? Never do well families ka anyị maka ya bịa. Ọ nwere otu nwa okorobịa chatịrị m yesterday. Ọnọdụ ya really pains me so much because ihe ọnọdụ ya ji wee pee n'ọmụ bụ na ọ dọrọ mma nwoke tolugoro ihe eji nwoke eme 40 something years to 50 years anọrọ na-akụ ọta. Maka na adụ ka ibe na-agụ akwa, adụ ka ibe na-agbawa obi. Ọ na-abụ nwoke toruo oge ihe o kwesịrị ime ya mee ya. Mana ọ bụ na nwoke toruo oge ihe o kwesịrị ime ọ bụ na o mere obi ara adị ya mma. So I'm here to talk to you. Gị nwa na onwe gị na-ene m anya mara na n'ọnọdụ ezinụlọ ụlọ adịrọ mma. Their family is never do well families, both nwoke ma nwanyị. And you people have done everything, virtually everything. Ime gị ihe niile ị kwesịrị ime, yet no solution. You have invited some men of God, yes, called ones, whether from Christian aspect or traditional wise. You have virtually done everything, yet ihe na-eme aka na-eme. My brother, my sister, I'm here, one, to give you solution to all these things. One, what you must know is, one, I'm here with message of comfort, admonition, to talk to you, never to give up. I keep saying it, that giving up is a coward act. I'm here with message of hope. I'm here to tell you that no one ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ndị gabigagoro ọtụtụ ihe dị iche iche similar to what you are facing now, or what your family is facing now, but today they are happy. So whatever that you are passing through now, or your family is passing through now, if only you pay attention to me, believe in me, sị na aha Chukwu Okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile, unu ga-abụ ndị nwere onwe unu ma ọ bụrụ unu ukwe. Nke mbugolo maka na ọ bụrụ na mmadụ amara ebe mmiri si bido mabụ ya, ọ ya agba ebe ọ nọ kwụsị. Meaning you must identify the root cause of your problem or your family problems. One, identify if your family is one of those families that their great grandfathers entered into covenant with Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile. Whether your family is one of those families that entered into covenant with the forces of nature, you must find out if your family is those families that are in agreement with supernatural forces, but they later abandon those agreements. There is a consequences for every actions anybody or families took. Ọtụtụ families are suffering because of many things. What is responsible for family A predicament now might be different from what is responsible for family B predicament. But I will try as much as possible to touch all the vital areas. First and foremost, you must find out the root cause of your family. Your family, is it family where your grandfathers and fathers live unholy life? Live unholy life like occultic practices, manipulations, and rest of them, oppressing others. You must find out. You must find out if your father or your fathers, your forefathers, live life of oppression, oppressing others, that brought anger and crying for help from those souls, spirits offended. That is where deep alpha comes in, to know exactly the root. And because I'm here to save a lot of families, a lot of people, I've already made it point of duty to create time to visit the temple. You will be able to have interaction with me one-on-one. I call it counseling. During counseling with Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu, Oraifite, counseling is totally free. Just visit the temple, tell me that you are here for counseling. Believe in me, nobody will ask you for money. We will only ask you for money if you come for consultation alpha. But if you come for consultation, as in come for counseling, just mention that you are here for counseling. You are here for seminar. You are here for seminar and the directives. You are here for interaction. Believe me, I will not ask you for money. You're totally free. Because whom much is given, much is expected. My message and mission is actually to help people live better life. So if you are coming, and they have made it point of duty that on the 28th, I will be able to chat with people, form of counseling, one-on-one counseling, to anybody that will create time to visit my home on the 28th December. It starts by 12 noon. It will be first come, first serve. It will have free opportunity to interact with me one-on-one. And believe in me, by the grace of Chukwu, your life will never remain the same. If you be able to open your mind and be willing to accept advice and be willing to implement it, because it's one thing to give you advice, it's another thing for you to fulfill the advice. And what I can tell you is that life is all about choices. Choices you made in life. Choices that family made for themselves. But what you will take home today is this: that every choices has negative choices, has consequences. Just have it in mind. So whenever you are making your own choices, be careful. Know what the choice you are making. Because the law of karma, law of retributive justice is always there to pay everybody in his own coin. Galatians 6:7, I keep quoting it, said God can never be mocked. Whatever you sow, so shall you reap. Now, let me advise you, those families that never do well. Like, my first advice is one: find out the root cause of their family challenges. If your family needs what I call restitution, reparation, know if your family have offended anybody, if your family have caused oppression to anybody, if your family have took what belongs to another person forcefully, because the person is handicapped, the person doesn't have anybody that will speak for him or her. If your family have, as in, blackmail anybody in one way or the other, what goes around comes around. And I keep saying that every actions has equal reactions. The laws of retributive justice is always be there to ensure that whatever you give to nature must come back to you, the originator. Have this in mind. So if your family are suffering concerning the sins of the fathers, what you must do: one, identify where the problem is coming from and be ready to do restitution. The sins of the fathers can be effective on you and your families when your families keep dwelling in the same pedestal with your forefathers and your fathers who live an immoral life. Your family is family that is well known. Family meburu nwada, family meburu nwobo, family meburu mmadu, gba mmadu okika. Enwere ike ọ bụ na family meburu nwa ogbenye, family meburu an orphan, family meburu onye nwere onye ga-ekwuri ya. Enwere some families bụ blackmailers, ndị na-agba amasị. Ọ na ịmara na ịgba amasị bụ a capital sin, don't you know? When you sinned, you lied against anybody without proof, and their primary intentions of lying to this person is to tarnish his image, is to pull him down. We are in era where social media is reigning. Those people you are fighting on social media, blackmailing, deep down you know that this person did not commit this crime, but because you hated this person with passion, then you keep on pulling the person down. If you pull the person down, will you do his work? If you pull his person down, will you fill the vacuum you have created? Onye gụrụ egwu sịrị, Igbo murie mu, Igbo murie mu, Igbo mi ga-ata m ata, Igbo mi ga-ele m ele, Igbo mi ga-aza nwanne m, Igbo mi ga-aza ụmụ m. I think either Mudibe or Sadebe that sing this music. It's one of those yesteryear's music, about 80s. So what am I saying in essence is this. Some families are talking. Because last night I was in meditation. I was like, why is it that some families keep suffering the sins of their forefathers? And I got this message, and I was directed to speak about it today. Some families, they have done all the spiritual work from the pastors, from the DBS, and yet things remain the way they are. Never do well family. Some of them sold their land. Some of them sold their houses in search for greener pasture in order to break family poverty. Yet it continues. That time you will know that even if you send your son or your brother to America, that cost that is following the family will still go follow the person to America and fuck this up for the person. That time you will know that even if you send somebody to Germany, that something will still follow him to Germany and say fuck this up for him. That time you will know that sending your relative abroad does not guarantee that the family yoke will be broken. Even those who gotta succeed, yeah, your family member jeba or ma succeed. As you go malu somebody no Germany, oji onya na agwam. No about Germany. Where no no problem, maka oje na azụ ahịa ngwongwo. O wesị m na ahịa ngwongwo ya na-azụ. Na ahịa ngwongwo ya na-azụ na mgbe enwedere ya na-ekwesịrị ibunata ya. Mana ka mmụọ si merie ihe ahụ miracle. Maka na mmụọ chọrọ. Because na mmụọ chọrọ na family a ga-adị nnekwu. To cut the whole story short, enwudere o jechara nga mana ebunara ya. As we speak now, ọka no Germany. Odo ọ dị azụzi ahịa ngwongwo, ọ na-eme ọfụma now. Maka na agbụsị gba ike ọgbara akọ. Mana enwere ndị ya na ha zụrụ ya ahịa ngwongwo ebudatala. Amara m ihe na pass through. Family unu lele ana sold everything to send your brother abroad. They are 3 in number, had the same problem. Your brother is the only one they sent home. Others are still there. Are you not noticing that something is wrong somewhere? Why is it that everywhere others succeed, their family members will go there, they will never succeed? Never do well families. I can tell you that so many things is responsible. If your family is where they oppress someone in the past, the person is still there crying in the world of the living, in the dead, in the spiritual world, crying for vengeance, asking the karma beings, asking them, when will her revenge be meted upon your own family? I can well more na-agba ụgwọ n'etiti ezinụlọ unu na-ajọ for restitution unu eme ya. Alụ ndị nna nna gị ha melụ na ezinụlọ sacrilege ha committed by imebi all various family altars unu emebere ya. A na-ekwu okwu na ọkụkọ tiri ọnụ na nsị o were okwu ya na nwunye. A na-ekwu okwu na family gị need help instead of it on a new leaf. Ka i wee nwee ike wee yọta amara mgbaghara mmehie. Onye a na-akpọ Ahab, a king, he sinned against Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile, and he was proclaimed to die. A prophet went to him and tell him, King Ahab, you will die because you have sinned against Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile. King Ahab, bring himself down. Bidogbo wampe. bidoro uju butuo onwe ya na taba onwe ya afụfụ maka ihi etu o si wedo onwe ya na mebe restitution mebe reparation wee jikwa onye ama ya jekwa gwu ya na ga-ejekwu ya more 20 years ntị ọ dịkwa among whatever your family is passing through right now. Never do well families. That dead bone shall live again. Yes. Ọkpụkpụ nwụrụ anwụ ga-adị ndụ ọzọ. Ma ọ bụrụ na unu ga-ewedo onwu na mee ihe unu kwesịrị ime, mee reparation, mee the right appeasement. Ka unu wee gbanwere unu ọnọdụ. I'm here to talk to you that came from a family of never do well families, and is as a result of oppression that your forefathers committed. Your father came and still told the same part. That is what is tearing your family apart. And you came up again as a young boy. Instead of you to depart from the old ways of your father and your forefathers, you still there, maybe in the social media, maybe in the physical, keep blackmailing somebody, keep oppressing somebody, you might not, it's not a point that you sold your uncle's children again to slavery, because I can tell you some of the families are suffering of sins of the fathers. Maybe your father or your grandfathers sold his brother's children to slavery during the slave trade, and because of the cry for help, that is why your family are suffering. Instead of you, a descendant of this family, to break the yoke by calling a spade, for you to live a righteous life, for you to say, for you to live a life very departed from the old ways of your fathers, by saying, I will never withstand oppression, I will never support humiliating anybody unjustly. Instead of you to stand at the right path, you still follow the path of your forefathers and your fathers without knowing it. Your fathers must have sold people on slave trade. Now there's nothing like slave trade again. But you started modern slave trade. You know how? You started it by the modern now. You are still using social media to blackmail people, talking ill about another people, and without fact. It's just because of envy and jealous. That's the same envy and jealous that made your father and your grandfathers to sold off their uncle's children, because their uncle, their late, they sold off their children in order to inherit their land during slave trade. You, the same envy and jealous is still thing you are practicing in modern era. You did not sold somebody to slave trade, because there is no slave trade anywhere. But the same envy and jealous is what is still driving you into blackmailing others without fact. There is nothing wrong in correcting somebody with love. If you feel that your brother and sister is not doing well, you can chat the person inbox. You can look for one person WhatsApp number, advise the person with love. But when it becomes evil is when you keep on blackmailing somebody for a reason best known to you. You are following the person on social media, blackmailing the person, telling is some of those things are lies. Once you are doing like this, you are the same pedestal with your father and your forefathers. And believe in me, the anger and the law of distributive law justice will be meted on you. The karma will visit you. You know why? The same karma that befell your family now, that made your family never do well, he will still continue with you. Because there is nothing different between you and your fathers. Your fathers has jealous and envy, and you have jealous and envy. Your fathers oppress somebody, and you are oppressing somebody. So there is no way, even if you like, go call the father, even if you like, call pastor, even if you like, call Dibia, that attitude and envy and jealous will continue in your family. That never do well will continue, because you people have not repented. You people must repent and turn a new leaf from the old ways of life. That is what will break the yoke. Let me tell you another thing. If you are one of those families that never do well, I will advise you to look, pray, and ask Chukwuokike to give you direction. What you need is total rehabilitation. Rehabilitation. Yes, that's what you need. How to do it is pray. Let Chukwuokike give you direction. You can decide to go and be mentored by a spiritualist of your choice. Go there, humble yourself to be mentored character-wise. What you need, sometimes you people think that liberation is when you offer okoko, offer ebunu or efi. No. Most family have spent the ebunu, spend the efi, for to spend the ndamoma, for to spend their pastors. Yet nothing. The things still remain. Ihe fọrọ n'obo agwa ichegharị ma chigharịa. And the ichegharị ma chigharịa bụ na chọọ and begin to live in the proximity of Chukwuokike pụrụ ime ihe niile. Ị ga-achọ ofu spiritualist, go and serve the person. Ka e train agwa gị. Ka ibido mmalụ na ụdị ndụ a ị na-ebi na mbụ mgbe ị nọ na anụ arụ is not profitable. Ị nwere ike ije ebe ahụ, ọ bụrụ na ministry, jee ebe a jee join ya ndị singing ministry, or join ya ndị prayer warrior, or join ya usher, or join ya ndị administration, or join ya any group, any department of your choice. The most important thing bụ na ị na-eme operate within the proximity of the Chukwuokike pụrụ ime ihe niile. Ị need ka agbanwe agwa gị. Agbanwe agwa gị, I can tell you, ị ga-afụ na that course nọ n'ezinụlọ unu na-emetụ ndị ọzọ ama emetụsị gị, maka na ichegharịgo ma chigharịa. Ihe imere bụ enwere ihe a na-akpọ frequency. Isigo na medium wave baa na FM or short wave. Therefore, any tuning ọbụla a na-etunu ya family na mmụọ na short wave, na medium wave, will no longer touch you because you are operating in a higher frequency. Hello? You are operating in a higher frequency. Maka na ichegharịgo ma chigharịa. Adị m ekwu okwu repentance. Adị m ekwu okwu nchegharịa ma chigharịa is two things. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ chegharịrị mana ha echigharịbara. Onwe onye imejọrọ, ị ga-aga mee restitution, ị ga-aga yọ mgbaghara. Maka na ọ bụrụ na onye a agbaghara gị, you will never be forgiven. Because na enwere obi inu ka na-ebini na-agba ụta na mmụọ na-ekwu na imejọrọ ya. And they know the consequence of this. Ọ ga-eme gị you sin no more. Ọtụtụ n'ime ụlọ a na-ekwu nke unu mere eme, a na-ekwu okwu nke ndị nna nna unu mere. You keep on committing more evil, thereby complicating your family issues. Onwere onye mere ọnụ. Onwere onye mere. Some of the families are suffering sins because the sins of the fathers. Modern people keep on maintaining those sins of the fathers by keep on towing the path of the forefathers and fathers. The only way you will not be a partaker of the sins of the fathers is when you turn a new leaf and follow another path. Following another path is not become going to one church. No. Maybe your father is an ordinary person. He decided to go to another church. No, it's not the solution. Going to church is just like belonging to one organization. Doesn't change. Here them pabu chigharịa ma chigharịa si n'ime obi. Ị ga-abụrịrị a new creature. Ị ga-abụrịrị onye ndị mmadụ ga-asị ha ọ bụrụ mgbe onye a bụ onye a. Ọ bụrụ mgbe onye na kịta na isi ya adịgo cool. You reason as a matured person. Ị na-ebisi ndụ dị iche. Ihe ọ pụtara bụ na where you are standing in the spiritual, anya mmụọ ji enebu gị mbụ ichegharịgo ma chigharịa, you are standing in different platform. Therefore, any previous tuning will never get you. So what I'm preaching is learn. You need those characters in a keep on doing it over and over times and expect different results. How possible is that? You can't continue living the same way you are living last 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago. and you expect different results. It's not possible. Ị ga-echange riri agwa ekworo na anyukwu. That thing nwere ike ịbụ ihe bụ hindrance to your success. And mgbe ọbụla echegharịa ma chigharịa ịbụrụ gị a new person. Since okwu batara bịa zụọ na ngwurube nna gị, things ebido turn around. Abụrụ m ihe na pass through, but I can tell you with the fact that I have been there. Whatever your family is passing through today, I pass it. Yes, until the right time, I decided to break the yoke. Once you break the family yoke, those negative yoke, things will begin to turn around. Obro charm. So obro na ndị mmadụ sịghị na ọ gị je egbu oke ite ma ọ oke ibubo ma ọ gị je eme nka ma ọ gị je ebe otu nke ma ọ bụ nke ọdọ ka i were dị successful. Oga, I will tell you that ihe na-esi nkakwa isi dị ya n'arụ. Na ijegoro ebe ahụ ijere ị ga-adịkwa low. Ụzọ gara ndị ọzọ ama agaghị. Because na-enwere ihe dị iche dị n'ime gị, enwere ụta a na-agba gị na mmụọ si n'okike. Maka na ihe metara o metara ya bụ. Ifụbọrọ ndị eji emecha oke ite ma oke ibubo ji ụgwọ ọgwụ, ụfọdụ nọ n'otu nzuzo ka na-agba ọkada, ifụbọrọ ha. Ifụbọrọ ndị mechara ụmụ ihe niile maka a na-ele bụrụ onye agboro, ifụbọrọ ha. Ije a na-agwa gị sị gị ka gị nwee ndidi na ọ ga-adị mma, bido preach wekwado gị nwee ndidi. Why John bụ fast lane ka ọ dịrị gị mma, akara asị nwee ndidi. Ịmụrụ na ihe na-esi nkakwa isi dị ya n'arụ. Bido kịta liberate onwe gị, and the only way ị ga-eji wee liberate onwe gị by turning a new life. So that ka ị bụrụ a new creature. Ị bụ a new creature abụrụ mgbe ị change your religion. Ị bụ a new creature abụrụ mgbe ị ji ekwo akwa ọfụ. A new creature is when you change your innermost being, your character. Ndị mmadụ ya sị na onye ọbụzụkwara onye a. By so doing, you turn a new leaf. Ọ mgbe a ka ị ga-ebido gbanwebe na mmụọ. O nwere aha eji mara gị. Enwere ihe eji mara gị, enwere trademark eji mara gị. Mana ime rebranding, ị na-afụ na company nwere ike ime rebranding, change logo, change trademark, change the outer look, etu esi afụta the company. Ọnya bụ rebranding. Afịa asụbakwa. So ana m agwa gị Nwachukwu, rebrand yourself. Rebranding abụrụ change ụka ma ọ bụ change akwa. No. Rebranding your inner self. Rebrand your inner self, ibido chebe echiche dị mma. Ịfụ na ihe anwa kwụsịrị ndị ọzọ na ezinụlọ gị ama akwụsị gị Nwachukwu. Ana m asị na ihe akwụsịrị ndị ọgbọ gị ama akwụsị gị. Na ihe akwụsịrị ndị enyi gị ama akwụsịwo gị, maka na ịbụ onye dị iche. Ka nkwụsị ebe a. Dịka nsi gwa achọrọ m ka nkụzi atọ ogologo. Inwe ajụjụ ya ajụ m, lụta WhatsApp nọmba ị ga-eji nweta mbụ, ọ dị na screen gị, ma ọ bụ 0805 78 37672. I repeat, 0805 78 37672. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwere m na ọ dịghị ihe siri m ike ka Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwo ya, n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwu Oke Pụrụ Ime Ihe Niile be with you all. May you prosper. May you be protected. Ya gazie. You can feel free to chat me. I will be here to help you, to liberate you from those you that are facing those challenges of life, for never do well families. Eze-Ana.